Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's great to have you here because we're talking about the 2x48-inch Steele grinder made by 84 Engineering in Australia. This is a machine that we absolutely love. Despite its compact size, you get incredible performance from it, and it is the perfect addition to your shop if you are short on space. Perhaps your workspace a little bit smaller, or you've already got a workshop filled with tools and you want to be a little bit space effective. With a machine like this, you don't have to sacrifice versatility for size. This machine comes with a pre-wired variable frequency drive speed controller and 1.5 horsepower motor, which means that all you have to do when you get your packages is bolt the motor onto the grinder body, take the motor drive key off the motor, put it on the motor shaft, slip on your 4-inch drive wheel, tighten down an Allen screw, and then take your 110 molded end, plug it in, and it is indeed plug and play. These machines are incredibly versatile with 3 tooling arm holes and a 360-degree rotating platen that allows you the use of a 2-inch contact wheel, 3-inch contact wheel, and slack belt. This is phenomenal, guys. I really hope you check it out. This is a machine I am very proud and pleased that we can offer for you. But of course, remember that grinding, blacksmithing, bladesmithing is extremely dangerous. Your abrasive belts are going to be producing dust, sparks are going to come off the machine, and it's loud when you're grinding, so you will need eye protection, ear protection, and respiratory protection whenever you're using it, as well as a whole lot of common sense, because you can hurt yourself if you're not careful. Thank you guys for checking this out. See you in the next one.